In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically close tabs on the Firefox mobile web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the three-dotted icon up at the top right, and then go down and select the settings button. Select the tabs button on this page. And then at this point, you can go ahead and select where it says close tabs. If you want to set it to never, just turn that off entirely. You can also automatically close tabs after 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. You may also want to move old tabs to the inactive state as well. So if you haven't viewed them for a certain number of weeks, they can be moved to the inactive section. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. If you want to enable the automatic closing of tabs, you can do it after 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or never. So, like I said, pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.